हेलो वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल गाइस। और मैं कुछ दिनों बाद आया हूँ। आई नो बहुत दिनों से वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं करी। सो फ्रॉम टुडे we'll be starting new content of cybersecurity in which we are gonna learn Kali Linux and multiple types of attacks and many different things in this video. So for today, we'll be learning all the basic fundamentals of Linux in which we are going to learn कि कौन से कमांड से अपन कौन कौन सी चीजें परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. So before that, I'll be like giving you some of the introduction about the Linux. So basically, what is the Linux? तो Linux एक open source operating system है जिसमें you get the highest level of security and the user can customize it according to itself only. So today we are going to learn Kali Linux, and Kali Linux is a flavor of Linux in which like it is basically used for cyber security and hacking purposes because it consists of multiple tools which leads to the cyber security and cyber attacks. So today we are going to learn about the basic fundamentals of Linux, about all the commands and all the things how you can do and how you can basically use a Kali Linux. So make sure you like and subscribe the channel, and let's start with the video. So for installing Kali Linux, you'll be needing two things. For first, you'll be needing a VMware. It is a virtual machine जिसमें Kali Linux का एक image OS चलने वाला है, and then you'll be needing basically Kali Linux image, which I'll be sharing both in a Google Drive. So make sure you go through the description panel. So let's start with the thing. So अब काली लिनक्स में बेसिकली सब चीजें कमांड लाइन पे चलती हैं. ओके, सो एक विंडोज और एक काली लिनक्स में मेन डिफरेंस ये होता है कि विंडोज गिव्स अस द GUI, ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस, वेयर काली लिनक्स ओनली गिव अस द कमांड्स, एंड देयर आर मल्टीपल डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स जहाँ पे काली लिनक्स और ज्यादा यूजफुल होता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द थिंग. So if you have installed everything, then you can just see the main screen similar to us and what I am seeing here. So you just have to click over this. This will open our command prompt. So basically you can just adjust the size. So I'll be making the size little big. So let's start with some basic commands. So for some of the commands what we can use, first of all, let's start with who am I. So this command basically gives us the current user which is working or which on which I am working. ये command basically अपन को बताता है कि कौन से user में मैं काली लिनक्स के ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करने वाला हूँ. So here you can see that कि मैं एक काली लिनक्स वाला यूजर यूज कर रहा हूँ और वहां पे मैं चीजें परफॉर्म करने वाला हूँ. तो देयर आर मल्टीपल कमांड. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स यूज PWD. ये स्टैंड करता है basically current working directory, and this is the directory, or this is the path we are working on, which is like a home inside Kali Linux. And the other thing what we are using is ls, which is a list all the directories. Here you can see that there are multiple directories in our uh, the panel. So we have desktop, document, downloads as a directory, and index.html, many.h.txt is a text file. Okay, so this is how you can get the knowledge of which current directory you are in and how you can list all the things in that current directory. So there are different types of commands in ls. For example, if I give ls /l, it will give me all the permission which these directory consist of. So for example, if I look to this desktop, all the directories will contain d at starting, and rwr are the permission of read, write and execute. So all the directories, you can see that download is a directory, you can see d over here, and all the permission are granted of read, write and execute. Whereas new.txt is a txt file, and the only permission it consists of is r. So this is the function of r. And one more important thing, if you want to know more about ls command, you can just use ls/help. Then it will give all the things or all the sub commands inside the ls and why it is used for. And if you don't want to use ls, you can also use man.ls. Man stands for manual, and in this you can basically do and get the knowledge of all the things inside this ls command. अब आप इसको किसी में भी कर सकते हो, you just have to press q for the quitting. So these are the four commands which we use currently. First is who am I, which shows the current user I am in, and then we use pwd to check the current working directory, and then we use ls to just check all the listing things in that directory, and then we use lsl to check the commands or check the permission कि अपन उस directories में क्या क्या add कर सकते हैं. So after that, let's move to our another commands. Let's go to the bottom. So let's start with making some directories and some files. So let's start with here. So let's again use ls, and you can see desktop downloads, and let's make directory. For making directory, we have mkdir, and inside mkdir, what we you what like using this keyword mkdir stands for make directory. You can create the directory of your own. So let's name this directory as like hello, because this is our first directory, and you just have to press enter, and then again ls. So you can see that our hello directory is printed. So this is how you make the directory. अब now अपन ने directory बना ली. अब we have to go inside that directory. For going inside that directory, we use cd command, which stands for change directory, and we just have to put hello over here. So bang, we are inside the hello directory. You can also ls, so it is nothing inside the hello directory, and you can also use pwd, which is current working directory, which is home kali hello. Before that it is just home kali, and now it is hello. So this is how you create a directory, and this is how you go inside the directory. And you went inside the directory, अब बाहर तो आना पड़ेगा. For like going out from the directory, you can just use cd dot dot. So you can again go out from the directories home and kali. So I think we should be like going inside the directory only for making some of the files. So till now we have learned some of the commands of making directory, listing all the things inside directory, navigating to directory, navigating out of the directory, and now let's make some of the text file. For making some of the text file, there are multiple ways. So the easiest way which I am telling you is echo, and you just have to type the things. For example, hello, this is only quotes here. Perfect. And let's give some explanation mark, or let's leave it, and then you have to give a greater than sign, and after that let's name this file as only quotes dot txt. So we made one file named as only code.txt. You can check by using ls. So you can see that only codes.txt. So we have made one text file, and now we have to read that text file. For reading the text file, we can just use cat, and then the name of only codes.txt. So here you can see that hello, this is only codes here. So this is how you make the files, and this is how you kind of read the file. So there is one more method of using touch. uh, Touch is like another command for making the things, and here we can just give the things as subs.txt. So it creates one file, and let's ls. So you can see that only codes.txt, txt subs.txt. But if you read subs.txt, it is empty because we have not basically entered anything. So these are the command which we have like learned till now. So you can just use history command to for checking all the command you have like made till now. So we have made this command who am I, pwd, ls help, man, make directory, ls. So these are the command which we have learned, and history keyword gives us the all the previous command which we have used. So perfect. So till now we have learned everything. Now let's move to the another level. So for this level, I'll be teaching you how to copy the file and how to paste the file in some other thing. So For example, let's for copying the file, we'll be using cp command, and uh, using cp command, and inside this cp command we are just going through some of the things which is for example, let's ls again, I forgot the name, and let's use cp, and cp in the only quotes dot txt and subs dot txt. Let's ls this cat subs dot txt. So now you can see that the content from only course.txt is shifted to or copied to subs.txt. So this is how you can copy the content of one file, one text file, to another text file. Similarly, the content of directories can be copied from here to there. And again, we have one more command, which is a move command, which helps you to move the things or rename also the things. For example, let's rename subs.txt to like test dot t sorry dot txt. Perfect. And now you can ls. So the subs.txt is renamed as text.txt, means the content of subs.txt is kind of moved into text.c like txt. You can also check it. So bam, you can see that hello, this is only quotes here. So perfect. Till now we have learned many of the commands like cd, move command, and like move and copy, history, touch, making directories, and multiple things. And now there are some more commands which like will be also used. And another command is a remove command. For remove command is basically used for removing the files which we have basically created here. So for that we are using rm and just paste it. I think we have not written the correct name, rm test dot txt. Perfect. So here you can see the command is executed, and now ls, the text file got removed. So the only file contains the hello directory is only quotes. So now let's try to remove the directory also. For removing the directory, uh, first we have to remove this only quotes also, cause like only quotes dot txt. Perfect. I think again. Okay, so we are not in the directory. Perfect. And now here, okay, we are like got into very back, so we have to navigate to our folders, and here we can delete our only quotes. Perfect. So ls, you can see that there is a empty directory like hello. अपन ने यहाँ पे चीजें टेक्स्ट फाइल बनाई और उसको डिलीट किया, और अब अपन इस hello जो कि अपन ने डायरेक्टरी बनाई है उसको डिलीट करते हैं. फॉर दैट जस्ट गो टू cd and use rmdir, which stands for remove the directory, and which directory we want to remove, which is a hello. Perfect. And now ls, you can see that the hello name directory has been deleted. So till now we have learned how to edit the file, how to basically like create and delete the directories. So now we'll be like learning some more things, which is like vi is basically also a text kind of editor for linux, which opens the new directory, and here using insert we can insert the things. hello using vi. So this is the another version of adding the data or editing the data inside the text file, जो कि पहले अपन echo और touch से कर रहे थे. So basically vi provides a kind of a good interface where we can add it through or our needs, and we just have to click the escape and enter. Q QA explanation mark enter. So this is how you can add the things over your terminal. So till now we have like used vi command also, and now again we can like see there is one more command to like kind of access the or modify the permission given to the फाइल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे ये न्यू डॉट टी एक्स टी है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ रीड की परमिशन है, बट एज अ यूजर आई वॉन्ट कि इसमें आई हैव टू गिव ऑल द conditions. For that, giving the condition, we have chmod, and inside chmod there are multiple permission. For example, 777 new dot txt. Perfect. And now lsl, you can see that these new dot txt, we have given all the permission for read write execute, read write execute, read write execute. So there are multiple different permission. For example, 400 and or like 750, which also like remove some of the condition. You can see that read write execute. So this is how you can change the permission over the things. So this is all about this video, and from the next video we are like going to get more into the linux and get to know more about the tools like nmap, and like getting the information about how to like hack or attack the thing. So thank you for watching the guys, or if you want like similar content, so please make sure you like and subscribe the channel, and I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.